This awesome AI tool will help you with your freelance journey. Keep watching this video to understand how. If you're thinking about starting to make money as a freelancer working from home, you're watching the right video, my friend, as in this tutorial, I'll show you an awesome AI tool to help you fulfill your Upwork and Fiverr orders easily and effectively. This tool is called Writesonic, and we've talked about it before on the channel. In this video, we will focus on the aspect of using this tool as a freelancer who offers services such as article writing, SEO optimization, and ad copies. Below the video, you can find a registration link to sign up for Writesonic. Once you've created an account, continue watching to learn how to use the tool. If you already have an account, I'll guide you through the process of writing your text. By the end, you should have a better understanding of how it works. Let's get started. Upon logging in to Writesonic, you'll see various categories, such as articles, blogs, ads, and general writing. You can switch between these categories to find the one that suits your needs. For example, you can choose the YouTube category to create content for social media, or select the corresponding category to write an article intro. In your case, if you're a freelancer, your clients will most likely ask you to write a blog article or a YouTube script for their video. Besides category options, several features are available at the top of the screen, including saved, history, book, upload, and Writesonic. The lower part of the interface contains the save and history options to record your written content and ideas. These features will enable you to keep a record of your written content and previously generated ideas. First of all, as a freelancer, you'll have plenty of gig ideas you can choose to work on using this tool. You can offer SEO keywords for your clients. For example, if someone was in need of good keywords for their YouTube video or website, they could buy this gig from you. And then all you have to do next is go to the main menu off the website, click on the AI Article Writer 4.0 option, write exactly the subject of your buyer's video or article, and then with a click of a button on Search Keywords, Writesonic will generate a ton of strong tags and keywords alongside their search volume. So all you have to do next is copy all of those keywords, paste them on a PDF or WordPad file, and deliver the work to your client, whether your services are on Fiverr or Upwork. That's one way you can use this tool if you want to sell freelancing gigs. Another cool way to use it is by writing articles or YouTube video scripts for your clients. To do so, click on Get an Item on the same menu. Then, fill in the boxes with the subject's title and the keywords that the website will use to generate the text. You can change the tone of the voice. For example, some buyers might want you to write in a professional manner. Some will ask you to add a funny tone to the text or something like that. Also, one important thing for this AI to work is to add some outlines. What I mean by that is to add at least 4 outlines so that way the text will have organized ideas. For example, add an intro outline, main content outline, add images, and finish with an outro. And then write a call to action, which means how many seconds you want the script or article to go for. In my case, I put write a 5-minute article. Click generate article and bam, your text was made in just seconds. Again, like with the keywords, just copy the entire thing and paste it on a text file. I like to use WordPad personally. Title your file and then send it to your buyer. Of course, if you want to twist some parts, remove something, or add something else to the text, you can do that before delivery. Because this was written by an AI, chances are that it will be detectable by AI detection tools. To avoid this from happening and to have the text look like it was written by a human, I'll recommend you a video we've made on how to avoid AI detection using an easy ChatGPT prompt. Another good idea for a gig offer is to use Writesonic's AI automatic ad copy tool. Go back to the website's main menu, scroll down, and you'll see a bunch of options. You can write ad copies for Google. For example, you can generate Facebook, Instagram, and even TikTok ad scripts. Essentially, some buyers want freelancers to make them a short script for their ad campaigns to get sales on their products. You can benefit from this by creating a gig that offers this service. Your buyers will give you the product description and its name. Paste that information onto this AI machine and it will generate an entire ad copy. Again, send that work that has been generated to your client, and sometimes you can hit the jackpot with this one. Some people get really good deals with companies and startups who want to have an ad copy for their products. Depending on their budget, these companies could give you a good deal if they like your service. Keep watching, as I'll show you good ways to promote your gigs to get more sales on this next part of the video. Obviously, if you're just starting out with your freelancing journey, things will be slow. No matter what platform you're using, Fiverr or Upwork, because you're still new and have no reviews yet, you won't get any sales right away. First, it's important to have a strong-looking profile. I advise you to spend time creating a high-quality picture for your gig. Fill out the necessary descriptions for your gigs with keywords and things like that. One tip is to use your face as a picture profile and use your real name. That way, buyers will be more confident and more eager to trust you. The price of your gig is really important. I see a lot of people asking for a high price for their offers when they're just starting out. If you're using Fiverr, for example, just offer prices ranging from $5 to $15. A lot of buyers are on a budget. They can't really spend like $50 on a gig, especially if that gig is newly made with no reviews. Make attractive prices that are low at first to bring buyers in, and once you start getting the ball rolling, increase the prices bit by bit. Also, try to make a social presence on social media. Facebook in particular has many groups dedicated to promoting your gigs. You can join these communities to share your gig and help each other out with views and impressions, or to publicize your services to potential clients. That way, you'll be able to start climbing the search results ladder. Share your offers on Reddit too if you want, and if you have a spare $5, you can hire someone on the platform you're using, Fiverr or Upwork, to promote your gig for you. But this is optional and it is up to you. And remember, the results are not typical, implied, or guaranteed. Treat it like a business. Start small and be patient and you will grow. As you can see, AI has been going crazy these past few months. It's starting to replace writers, and slowly replacing doctors as well, as we've seen a new AI healthcare that we talked about in this video on the top right. And soon enough, it will replace your job, whatever it is. If you don't want that to happen, dear friend, then you should join my free course on how to make money using AI. To do so, go ahead and click the first link in the description below to join the waitlist. Thanks for watching, and as always, what AI content would you like to see next? Leave a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our latest AI videos. See you next time.